show
ready to go. Good God. Whew. Thank God. For God. Do you know I received relief at exactly 26 seconds into that video? Yeah, that was a Fender commercial. I don't even remember what I was going to talk about now. My God, I got a headache. Man, I like talk about devil music. Wow. No, what I wanted to talk about was the idea of this guy John Lennox. He said that he's quoting scripture, and like he says that he he stretched out the heavens, right? And he like had to do his hand. He used his hands to do that, but yet at the same time, so you see him stretching out the heavens to make them expanse, right? But what happens on the other side? He's forming and making dirt into something. All the earth is holy, including the dirt bag that is I.